What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel in the car community. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. If it's your first time, click on the video, do check out my other videos, get involved, smash the subscribe button, help us get 2,000 subs. And get commenting. I will bring up your comments every Sunday as well. And as long as you're not being too much of a dickhead, then it'll probably stay up there. But if you're being a complete utter prick, it'll probably be taken down. But yeah, guys, just we are planning to get a project car, and I do have a bit of news on that. And as well, we're just going to be covering what happened between the drag times and Mclaren situation seems to be resolved, and also what's happened with CNC. A few other people have come out about that as well. So just quickly, guys, on the project car situation. I have found a car that I want. It's not the project car I had originally wanted, but this one has come up in Northern Ireland for a ridiculously good price. It's a 2008, it's very low mileage. It's going for £3,000 sterling, so we're euros here in the south, it's sterling up in the north. I've messaged the person. Now this car is, would be a good 4 hour drive from me. My sister lives an hour from where the car is. I've messaged the person asking, is the price negotiable? If it is, I'll try and get them down a small bit. If I do end up going with it, I will put down the deposit. I have the money there for it. And yeah, hopefully I can get it. It's a car I've always never thought I would own, and when it came out back in the Fast and Furious days in early 2000s, I never thought I'd own one. So hoping I do get it, and it will be a project car, and guys, it will be the jump body kit, a wrap and all that kind of stuff. So I will keep you posted what happens, and there's a lot, it's not guaranteed. I don't want to reveal the car yet. The original car I wanted to get, guys, was an Audi TT, a 2007 or 2008. The problem with them is they are very, very expensive, and the mileage, they're very, very high mileage cars. And my friend was saying they are an absolute pig on gas. And yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's the right move to go down. I know they're turbo and you can up the power on them and stuff like that. But for me, they're just out of my price range at the moment. At least the car I'm looking at right now, I can afford to pay for right now as well. And it just kind of slots in, the pieces slot into place for me to get it. So I will keep you updated. Just want to let you know what was happening with that as well. And hopefully, guys, say a prayer because if I get this, I will be delighted and I will keep you informed. So as I said, quick one, guys. So Drag Times has come out with this video. It's been resolved with Mclaren. It was another, I think it was the global VP got onto him. They apologized. They basically said, look, we're sorry. We would love to give you the Elva to, do some more videos on it. So he made his video, explained the situation that happened. The original VP he met in Los Angeles, I think it was at the time, was the guy that kind of said that to him, saying, look, you're just a YouTuber, McLaren owner with a YouTube channel. And Robert and Aaron from Lights Palos, they did a great job. They really kicked up a shitstorm, and a lot of people went after McLaren. And McLaren now have noticed that just don't fuck with the car community, especially car tubers that really give out your brand like McLaren, like Brooks does. And I'm delighted now that it seems to be all done and dusted, and Brooks can go back making McLaren videos, well, like he always has, but he can get the Elva and make a proper video with it, because I really want to see the Elva. I'm interested to see what it does. And just happy days, guys. I know the power of the internet in the car community has done it again, and fair dues to him, and glad it is resorted. Let me know what you think about all this in the comments below as well, about the way McLaren handled it. And last up, guys, as well, just on the CNC issue, Normal Supercar guy brought out a video about his thoughts and opinions on it. He's been reached out to by quite a few people that are in the same predicament as Shane. I did watch not all of the owner of CNC who went on his channel and gave his side of the story. He tried to push it aside. He was like, woe is me, I'm going through all these difficulties. He tried to deflect a lot of the blame, even though it's all on him. and I think Clay is his name, and basically normal supercar guy came out saying, should you, you know, co-sign with them, should you sell your car up and buy a car off them? He basically said no, they're fucked in sense basically. And supposedly somebody was texting him, a normal supercar guy. They were texting him saying that they had 3 cars in co-assignment with CNC and they wouldn't give him back their cars. They found out the cars were actually in the building. That person sent their mother down to get the actual cars off them. CNC basically told them to fuck off out of it, and you know, and were pure ignorant to her. While she was down there was another guy down there trying to get his car back, and he basically defended her. And supposedly, I don't know, but I think they might have got the cars back because technically that person, it's still their car. And yeah, it's crazy. So basically what he's saying is, if your car is down there, just go down there and take it back off them. There isn't anything they can do to you. They can't assault you. They can't do nothing to you. The police won't be able to do anything unless you actually, they try to verbally stop you, or physically stop you. So yeah, crazy times, guys. I'm going to keep following this whole CNC thing, see if that guy Shane gets his Ferrari back as well. Absolute madness the way CNC are treating their customers. Look, your man's Clay is fucked, so he might as well just sort this mess out and give people back their cars or whatever's happening. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the whole debacle of this thing with CNC. It'd be great to hear your thoughts and opinions. So until the next episode, guys, you know, stay safe, but please do comment, smash the subscribe button, like, and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.